Chapter 2 Loops and Graphics in QBASIC. We have already studied about few QBASIC statements which help us to design and create small programs in previous class. In this chapter, we will study about various advanced statements which help us to create complex programs in programming language QBASIC. Also, we will be studying about usage of graphics to create various shapes and objects using QBASIC. QBASIC Advanced Statements. Conditional Statements. Looping Statements. If, then, else. Select case. For, next. While, when. The advanced QBASIC statement contains two types of statements. They are conditional statement, looping statement. Conditional statement. Conditional statement are also known as decision-making statement as it helps us to make decision between two or more statements, where the first statement is premise and second is conclusion. The conditional statement contains sequence of statements that work on a given condition. If the condition given is satisfied as true or false, a particular course of action will be taken, else the other followed action will be taken. This will become clearer with the followed examples of the conditional statements. There are two types of conditional statements present in QBASIC. Let's study these two types of statements. If, then, else. If, then statements are used to compare the expression based on the condition in the program and then perform the statement based on the expression. The syntax of the if, then, else statement is as follows. Syntax: if, condition, then, statement, else. If, condition, then, statement, else, statement, end, if. Example of if statement: to input age and check whether eligible for exam or not. Click on Run. Click on Start or press F5. Output screen. Select case. The select case statements work similarly like if, then, else statement. Syntax: Select case test expression. Case expression 1, statement 1. Case expression 2, statement 2. Case expression 3, statement 3. Case else, statement, and select. Example: creating a select case statement is simple to do. The next program will prompt the user to select the key W to Z, and the program will respond by telling the user what key was entered. We will create a select case statement for the W to Z keys entered. Looping statements. In general, a loop means performing same task a number of times, that is, repeating a course of action till a condition given by a user is not fulfilled. A loop is generally created in a program for performing repetitive jobs. There are many types of looping statements, but we will work with for next and while when. For next loop. The for next loop is used when you know exactly how many times the loop has to be repeated. The for statement is used with condition in the starting and next statement in the last. Increments the value of control variable and then directs the program control back to for statement. Syntax. For variable is equals to initial value to final value, step to increment or decrement. Statements to be executed. Next variable. Example: for next loop, to print numbers from 0 to 2. Click on Run. Click on Start or press F5. Output screen. While when loop. The while when loop is a block of statements used to perform a conditional loop. Its working is similar to the for next loop, but the difference is of syntax. The statements start with the while followed by a condition, and when is used to end the looping statement. Syntax. Initial value, while condition. Executable statements. Step to increment or decrement. When. Example: click on Run. Click on Start or press F5. This code will display output as 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and then will exit as the loop condition is satisfied. Output screen. Example of while-went loop. Example, to print numbers from 0 to 10. Click on Run. Click on Start or press F5. Output screen. Screen command. Screen statement. The screen command is used to change the screen mode from graphics mode to text mode and vice versa. Syntax. Screen mode. Example, screen 12. There are different modes present in QBASIC which can be used with screen statement. The modes are Screen 0, text mode. Screen 1, graphics mode with 320 into 200 pixels. Screen 2, graphics mode with 640 into 200 pixels. Screen 3, graphics mode with 720 into 348 pixels. Screen 12, graphics mode with 640 into 480 pixels. Color statement. Color statement. The color statement is used to set foreground and background color of the screen. To set the foreground colors, provide color number starting from 0 to 15, and to set the background colors, provide palette number 0 and 1. Each palette is a group of 3 colors. Syntax. Color. Color number. Palette number. Example, CLS, color 1, print, blue, end. Line statement. Line statement. The line statement will draw a line between 2 points. The points are specified by X and Y coordinates. Syntax. Line, X1, Y1 minus X2, Y2, C, B or BF. Then X represents column number and Y represents row number. X1, Y1 are starting point of the line. X2, Y2 are end points of the line. C is color number. B is used to draw an empty rectangle. BF is used to draw filled rectangle. Example, CLS, screen 12, line 1010 minus 5050, BF, end. Draw statement. The draw statement is used to draw a figure or shape of different types, such as you used to draw shapes with turtle in logo. Whenever computer gets draw statement, it sends the pointer to the middle of the screen. To work with draw statement, we need to know the following. D100, go down 100 units. U100, go up 100 units. R100, go right 100 units. L100, go left 100 units. Syntax, draw, D, U, R, L. Example, CLS, draw, D50, R100, U50, L100. End.